Hello everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. I pray that all is well with you and yours, and on today's episode, I am sharing with you my brilliant blue wicker tablescape. And once again, I'm going to be demonstrating my DIY centerpiece, and you don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. So glad that you are joining me on today. I'm so glad to have you here. And just for those who may be visiting my channel for the first time, I just want to let you know that I like to display all of the items that I'm going to be using in my tablescape before I do the actual tablescape. And below in the corner of the screen will be the list of the items and the places that I purchased them. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me on today. I'm so glad that you came to visit. And again, for those of you that are new to the channel, I want to say that I upload a video every Tuesday, a tablescape every Tuesday with a different theme. If you have enjoyed this video, I suggest that you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell twice so that you can see all of the uploads that I share with you. And again, I just want to say thank you to all of the members of the Design to a T family. I'm grateful for you all, and I'm glad that you have come to visit as well. And so I just want to wish you all a wonderful week, and God bless. Thanks for watching.